going to give a live demonstration of WP Profit Topper in action. And to do that, I'm going to use one of our websites, which is soundbar-reviews.com. And what that site is it's a review website that compares and contrasts the different types of soundbars from the big name brands such as Sony and Philips. One such soundbar reviewed on the website is the Sony soundbar CT150. So when we run a search on Google for that term, we will find our website down here, soundbar-reviews.com. When I click on that, I'm sent directly to the website. And when we scroll down the page, you will see all the banner ads in the right hand margin are after flipping to the Sony CT150. So in effect, what's after happening here is that the plugin is after recognizing the inbound search terms are related to the Sony CT150 banner ads, and it's after flipping each of the ads to precisely match the inbound search terms. Conversely, if we go back to Google and we search for the term Philips HLS 8100 review, you'll find our site is appearing here in the #1 position. So I'll click on the link to go back to our site, and when I scroll down the page, you'll see the 3 banner ads are after flipping again, this time to match the inbound search term, which is the Philips HLS 8100 review. So in effect, what's happening here is the plugin is recognizing the inbound search terms and it is flipping the ads to match those terms. When that happens, you're providing customized ads that are customized specifically to each unique visitor, which is going to send the click-through rate soaring because obviously you're giving these people exactly what they are looking for. Okay, so here's a very quick run through of what it looks like inside in the plugin itself. The very first step one would have to take is to add a category name. And for example, say you had a Make Money Online blog, and one of the categories you'd like to define would be SEO, and that would be to set the banner ads and keywords for the SEO category. So in effect, you would give the category name SEO, and from there you would enter all the keywords or search terms that people would be using to land on your site for that general broad category. So for SEO, your inbound search terms might include SEO, search engine optimization, SEM, search engine marketing, so on and so forth. Then you would just click on the Add New Category, and that category name and the associated keywords are immediately added into the system, as you can see here on the right hand side for our Philips and Sony examples. The next step then would be to define the banner position. So I click on banner position. This in effect determines precisely where the banner ads are going to appear, whether you want them in your sidebar or you want them in your header, footer, so on or so forth. As you can see, previously we created sidebar 1, sidebar 2, sidebar 3, and this is for our Sony and Philips example. And in this case, Philips 1, Ad 1, and Sony Ad 1 shared the sidebar 1 position. Philips Ad 2, Sony Ad 2 shared the sidebar #2 position, and Philips Ad 3, Sony Ad 3 shared the sidebar #3 position. Then effectively, once you have entered the positions, you the system generates a short code, and the short code is just dropped very simply into a sidebar widget, and that's all you have to do. Then you click on the add new banner option, and this uses the two previous terms that you used, the banner position and the category name. So you select the banner position on which you want this particular banner ad to appear. You select the category name. So in our previous examples we had a Philips soundbars categories and a Sony soundbars categories. So let's say you select the Philips soundbars categories. Then you have the option of either uploading a banner ad image or uploading HTML for a particular banner. Now if you have my WP banner ad generator plugin, you would click on the HTML option here. Then you simply say you went with the image option, you simply choose the banner ad file, upload it to the system, enter the banner URL, click on publish. And that's all you have to do. Immediately the system will flip between the different banner ads based on the inbound keywords used to land on the site. Further to the banner ad optimization, you also have two further options: unassigned keywords and top keywords. So I'll click on the unassigned keywords option. And effectively what unassigned keywords means is that for any inbound keywords into the site that have yet to be assigned banner ads, they will be listed here. And this immediately alerts you to the fact that there are keywords sending traffic to your site for which you do not yet have banner ads. So what you would do is you would create banner ads for these unassigned keywords. Instantly they would be removed from the unassigned keywords list here, and you would have banner ads matching those terms. Also a very nice feature is top keywords, and top keywords effectively shows in descending order the keyword search terms from the various search engines that are sending you the greatest amount of traffic. And again, this is extremely powerful information because you can generate further content and ads to suit each of these inbound search terms. And that is what I spoke about earlier about increasing your site's stickability, its quality score, and reducing its bounce rate. By providing content that is optimized for these inbound search terms, you achieve all those tasks. And that, my friends, is a general overview of what it's like on the inside.